How to view private account on TikTok without following them. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bestan, and today I'll guide you on how you can view a private TikTok account without actually following it. Well, as you know, TikTok allows a user to set their account private, and once they have set it to private, if you are not a follower, you won't be able to view their account, or even if you try to follow them, they'll have to accept the follow request first. Now, if you don't want to follow a private account but you want to look into it, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and create a fake or a dummy account. You want to create a dummy account, a new account, and then with that account you can send them a follow request, and once you have been accepted you can go ahead and look into their account without following it through your main account. So this is the only way. You'll have to follow them or else you won't be able to see. So instead of following through your main account, you can create a dummy account and follow them through it and view their account. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.